How to log into IKEA credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into IKEA credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up a web browser and simply search for IKEA credit card. So there you will see IKEA credit card login. So search for that. And after you search for that, you will see IKEA's credit card. Here you can head over to IKEA's official website as well. So if you head over to IKEA's official website, you can now see different cards available in IKEA. So there you will see different options. So whichever is your IKEA is completely fine. This is not where we log in though. This is just where you can see what your IKEA card looks like. So after you're on IKEA credit card, what you'll have to do is there you will see any website called Bread Financial. So head over there. After you're there, you will see this website. After you're on this website, it's good. Now what you do is you just log in. Choose your IKEA credit card. So let's say this is my card. If I just tap on it, it will redirect me to here. Now there is a sign in button on the top. You can tap on the sign in button there as well. Other than that, you'll find a welcome back button here. I mean section here where you can type in your username and then your password and tap on the sign in button to sign in into your account. And it's that simple. And that is basically all for the video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.